Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I wanted to show you something that I believe many of you struggle with when you try to replace the watch battery on your Casio G-Shock or your Casio Baby G, and that is to open and to close the watch cage, so the battery watch cage on your Casio G-Shock watch. Now in order to do this, you need to have a pair of tweezers, a metallic pair of tweezers in my case. As you can see, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the basic watchmaker toolkit. You will have one inside there. So what you want to do with your pair of tweezers is to insert only one tip on this side. So this is where you can actually open the watch cage. So with one tip, what I want to do is to go in between here. You will have a small plastic and the tip of the watch cage. And what you want to do is to push it towards the exterior. You are going to hear a small click. Do not try to apply too much pressure. Do not push it. Do not try to use something that is very thick, because that is how you can actually bend this watch cage or break it. And that is something that I have seen many comments from people that say that they broke the watch cage and now the battery won't sit in. So this is a very short tutorial on how to do that successfully. Now I can remove the watch battery, and when you want to close the cage, make sure to just, after you have placed the watch battery, push it very gently. You are going to hear that click once again, and that is a very good indication that you have correctly opened and closed the battery watch cage on your Casio G-Shock watch, or in our case, the Casio Baby G. I have a full tutorial, guys, on how to do the entire battery replacement, also the AC reset on this particular model and other Casio G-Shock watches as well. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. You can check the rest of our videos on this YouTube channel. So if that is something that you are interested in, make sure to be subscribed, leave a comment, give it a thumbs up in case you found this video useful. It really helps the channel grow. Let me know if there is any other problem that you are struggling with, once again in the comment section below, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and all the best, guys.